Hello guys, welcome to the question 22 of our database management systems. So as you can see, we are having a continuous question from question 16 up to now. So if I were to show you the data in our tables, you can see we will be having these data in our tables in this database. So it's better to watch the previous videos to relate this database more easily. So moving on to the question 22, you can see the first question is find the details of the student who participate in the single subject in the examination held on 2020 March 15th. So let's write the query now. First we are going to get the details of the student in this query. So we will be executing this query and you can see all the details shown here like this. And now we will be setting the conditions given in the question. So we need to search the singular subject and the exam date. Execute the query and you will get these records like this as our search details. So let's move on to the second question, and the second question says Sandun Vijayaratna, find out the marks of the examinations in which the student appeared on 2020 3rd month 15th, the date of the examination and the term, the number of admissions, the name and the name of the subject. So let's write the query for this. So now let's search the student details first. And now we will be giving the conditions of the question. Execute the query and you will see the results like this. So this is our query for the second question. And the third question is find the name, subject, marks, term of the examination, date of the examination of the students who obtained between 40 and 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on 2020 July 10th. So now let's write the query for this search. So we will be getting the details of the students like this, and now we will be given the conditions. So this will be the query, and let's execute, and we will be having 3 records like this for this search. And the last question is, who is the highest scoring student in the first term out of all the subjects? So we'll be writing the query now. And we'll be getting the student details first. Details of the student, and let's start with the conditions. So executing this query, we will get this result, and from the question we just need the first name and the last name of the student, so we will be deleting the unnecessary records like this and execute the query again, and you will see the first name and the last name of the student who got the highest mark in the first term like this. So that's all for the query and the question. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.